Welcome to this step-by-step guide on booking and renting a yacht in beautiful St. Lucia. If you're new to yacht rentals, don't worry. This tutorial simplifies the process, showing you how to easily secure a yacht suited to your dream Caribbean getaway. To begin, go to the yacht rental website linked in the description. There, you'll find an array of options for yachts, ranging in size, style, and amenities. Take a moment to browse through the listings, which each include detailed photos and specifications. Each yacht profile displays key information, such as maximum capacity, onboard amenities, and overall design, helping you visualize the experience before booking. Step 1. Choose your yacht first. Decide on the type of yacht you want. Are you planning a relaxing day cruise or a week-long adventure? Smaller yachts may be ideal for day trips, while larger, fully equipped yachts cater to overnight stays and extended cruises. Some yachts come with cruise services, including a captain and chef, while others are bareboat rentals, meaning you'd navigate the yacht yourself if you're certified. Step 2. Check availability and rates. Once you've narrowed down your options, select your preferred dates and check the availability calendar. Many yachts have seasonal pricing, with peak rates during high-demand periods like winter holidays and summer months. You will also notice a price breakdown with transparency on what's included, such as fuel, water toys, and cleaning fees, so you can avoid unexpected costs. Step 3. Review services and additional options. This platform offers various additional services, including provisioning options where you can have groceries or special items delivered to the yacht before departure. Some rentals allow you to add water sports equipment like paddle boards or snorkeling gear. Make sure to review these options to customize your experience to your preferences. Step 4. Booking your yacht. Once you've decided on the yacht, dates, and any extra services, click the Book button to begin the reservation. This initiates a straightforward process where you enter your contact information, payment details, and any special requests you may have. In most cases, you'll need to make an initial deposit, with the remaining balance due closer to the date of departure. Pro tip: if you're traveling with a large group or have specific preferences, booking in advance is highly recommended, especially during peak travel seasons. Cost considerations. Yacht rentals in St. Lucia can vary widely in cost. Factors such as yacht size, length of rental, crewed versus bareboat, and season all play a role in pricing. You might find basic day rentals starting at a few $100s, while luxury, fully crewed yachts for extended trips can reach thousands per day. Be sure to review all pricing details and ask questions before finalizing your booking to avoid any last-minute surprises. Pros and cons. One of the major advantages of booking through this platform is the user-friendly interface and detailed yacht descriptions, making it simple to compare options and choose the best yacht for your trip. The transparency of pricing and clear breakdown of included services are huge pluses. On the downside, some popular yachts may book up quickly, so flexibility with your travel dates could be necessary to secure the yacht of your choice. Ready to set sail? Book your dream yacht by following my link in the description. Hit subscribe and like it. This guide helped you plan your St. Lucia adventure.